Female scientists take to Twitter to shame a sexist colleague. I'm Mara Montalbano for Buzz60. This guy won a Nobel Prize. Isn't that supposed to mean he's smart? At the World Conference of Science Journalists in Seoul, Korea, Tim Hunt said the quote, "trouble with girls was that you fall in love with them, they fall in love with you, and when you criticize them, they cry." Hunt later apologized for the remark and said it was meant to be lighthearted. You know, a joke. Well, it wasn't funny. This is funny. Women scientists posting photos on Twitter with the hashtag distractinglysexy to show just how ridiculous the comment was and how unsexy their jobs can be. Nothing like a sample tube of cheetah poop to make you distractingly sexy. How do my male colleagues publish anything when I show up dressed so revealing? I fell in love with the microcentrifuge, typical woman in the lab. Hey, I think this is progress. Look, Mr. Hunt, you criticized every woman in science and not one of them cried. Buzz60. Now you know. Pass it on.